Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a comparison of Krea AI and Leonardo AI. You see, it actually depends on your creative priority because Krea AI excels at speed, real-time generation, and rapid prototyping, while Leonardo AI provides extensive control, custom model training, and advanced editing features for production quality assets. Now let's go into them properly. You see, Krea AI is designed for immediate visual feedback and ease of use, prioritizing fast iteration. Now let's look at the strengths of Krea, that is Krea AI. That's right, Krea AI. Look at the strengths. The first strength is real-time generation. The second is speed and simplicity. The third is interactive enhancement. And the last one is video generation or upscaling because it offers advanced video features including real-time video upscaling to 8K and frame interpolation. When we look at what is best for, Krea AI is best for graphic designers and creatives needing quick mockups, design work, and social media assets. And it's best for users who value spontaneity and intuitive workflow. Now let's look at Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI provides a more robust and detail-oriented platform because it offers you a wider range of controls for meticulous creation. The strengths include precision and control, custom models, that is the ability to train your own AI models from a few reference images for consistent character or style generation. It also has advanced features that include batch processing, 3D asset generation, and a highly regarded character reference feature. Lastly, it has high quality outputs. That's right, because it's using advanced models like Leonardo Phoenix. Now let's look for what Leonardo AI is best for. Is best for, or who is it best for? Artists and professionals who need production ready assets and thrive on fine tuning the details. It's also best for users who require custom workflows, specific character consistency, and advanced editing options. So, in summary, let's look at the comparison in summary. Remember, I've talked about what the primary focus, which is speed, real-time idea and simplicity for Krea AI, and precision control and detailed customization for Leonardo AI. We talk about their speed when it comes to generation speed. Krea AI is very fast because it gives you real-time feedback, while Leonardo AI gives you just a standard generation speed, but it's highly detailed. When it comes to customization, I mentioned that Krea has good customization because you can customize the style and it's prompt adherent. While the AI is excellent in customization because you get to train your own model. Then we have when it comes to their video tools, Krea AI has strong video enhancement and real-time video, while the AI offers video generation but less focus on real-time enhancement. And I've talked about their use cases. In short, if you need quick interactive results, go with Krea AI. If you need highly customized, production ready art with extensive control, then Leonardo AI is a better choice. But many users seem to find value in using both tools for different stages of their creative process. Hope you found this information helpful.